Hello, Firestorm family. This is Adam Rasmussen. I'm the Dean of the College of Arts and Humanities, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to this 8-week course. And I want to start with the scripture. It says in Proverbs 4:7, the beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom. And whatever you do, get insight. So when we take a class through Canvas, we're taking an entire semester and breaking it down to an 8-week course online. But why do we do this? We want to gain wisdom. We want to grow in our understanding in the life of the mind and not just go through the motions. It takes work to learn. It takes work to get wisdom. So please make that your aim to the glory of God, the betterment of your life through your thinking and working through some of these great concepts with your professor and fellow travelers. So what should we expect? First of all, you need to get the course textbook or textbooks. Without those, you're not going to be engaging in any of the reading. So make sure you've got those if you haven't purchased them already. Next is to set aside the proper amount of time. We're not requiring you to be in a classroom, so you're capturing all of that time back for whatever it is that you need to do as an adult in this busy world. I know that you have all kinds of commitments. One of the commitments you need to make is to yourself, to actually read the text and to get into these concepts and to think about them. So it's a 3-credit course, most of them, and as such, you should take that number and multiply it times 2. So you should think about around 6 hours of work for this class every week. And when you're reading, read actively. If you've got a printed book, take out a pen or a pencil and annotate, write notes in the textbook. If you have a digital copy, you can do that as well through your computer or iPad or whatever you're using. So read actively and interact with others in the discussion forum. That's a way to talk with each other. We're doing that through a digitalized means, and there's a lot of typing, but we even have text, talk to text in Canvas. You want to go through it and fix all of the errors in it, but you can use that as well. And complete all the assignments to the best of your ability. This is the way you're going to learn in the course. And of course, reach out to your professor if you've got a question about anything. And what does a typical 8-week course look like? Well, we have a discussion question that's usually due on Wednesday. So make sure you've got that done. And then there will be another discussion question due on Friday. In addition, we want you to interact at least 4 more times with your professor and peers throughout the week. And then you'll have written assignments, maybe even some reading quizzes or other type of deliverables that will be due on Sunday. Now that's the general pattern. Some subjects and some levels of instruction might have a slightly different plan, but that's all up to the course designer, your department chair, and professor. So if you've got any of those questions, reach out to them. How's that? That was 4 minutes of introducing you to what we're looking for as you seek wisdom above all else. Get wisdom when you're taking these courses. And we have students here that are concurrent students from high school in some of our courses. We have many, many ground students, just traditional students that are taking these courses online. We have some online students that are all over the world, and then we have graduate level students in our 8-week format. So we welcome you all. Let's work together with your professors to make it a great semester here at Arizona Christian University.